Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another custom order kit, and she will request some neutral color, something like so, the color. So I make this and with bling. So yeah, I take out all everything from my stash. Yeah, I hold this for sometimes, but yeah, I didn't use it, so I just include into this kit. And let me do roughly to show you what inside this kit, okay? And yeah, they will send out with two package, because the weight is already 1 kilo here, because this is quite heavy. You can see all this yummy. So okay, let me show you. I can put in this bit, okay. So we received one of these beautiful. You can see the sparkling, the shining, yeah, with the tangle. I'm not sure, yeah, you have this or not, cause I already forget. But anyway, so this is the last piece from my stash, so I include this, and also this beautiful, and another big piece here, another one, another one, and the big piece here. So yeah, I will include all this into this kit. Sorry. Put this here. And also, actually have two. I have to pack it separately, because I have to wait. Yeah, because like I say, the package cannot overweight, so I have to very careful of the weight. So actually you got two of this flower. I put one in this package, another one in this package, and I'll show you the book that I have. And also I tie this one, the fabric laces, and also I use some tie the muslin fabric and make this fabric book. So we got so many pictures here. Also the same, use this crisscross trim tool for the binding. So like so, and it's inside is a felt, okay. So it's quite big. I think is inside is 8 inches by 7, if I'm not wrong. Let me show. 6 by, the insert is 6 by 8, and the page is 7 by 9, the cover. So, and yeah, she requests no images for this kit, so I didn't print any images or for this kit, so only have plain fabric book, laces. Okay, and now I show you this. So this one, you will have these two beautiful flower, and another this one I showed just now, and two of these, and one I already put here. So we got two, and also two with this beautiful flower and pearl and the rhinestone gems center, and also two beautiful butterfly. Okay, and one of these applique flower. Okay, hopefully, but some of the laces here I'm sure you already have, but this is what I have, so I use all the some of the same item to make this kit. So yeah, and let me to put this together. I won't take out this because I already tied this nicely. So, and she asked me to put some more white laces, but the weight is what I can put is only another 2 yards of this white color laces, ruffle lace. So you will have all these laces here. Most of them is 2 yards. So, and also one pearl brooch here, and one of these tangle big pearl. This with the pin, something. Okay, this one you have to put this together. Okay, let me to put nicely. Okay, so you get this big pearl. This is a pin. So I tie this and this ruffle white lace with pearl with beads. Okay, so you got this one, and also I put all the applique, some white color, some tea dye in this, and also one vintage rose cameo, and this one is the flower, and this one, yeah, I'm not sure who gave me this, but this one is very pretty if put together with this, and I use this one of this. Let me just show you. I have 3 color of this, but this like it's a bit, you can use it's a hairband, I mean tie hair. Yeah, you can use this. Is a rubber elastic, so I use this color in this kit. You want this color or this? Yeah, anyway, I think it's almost the same one. So I still have these two. See, I will keep it and see what I can do with it. Okay, let me untie this and show you. Okay, this one, this is the flower. I tie this together here. I have to untie this. Okay, I make the ribbon here. So this one also. It doesn't matter, this one I just here, and I show you. Remove this. This is yeah, this one. So with the brush, it's like you also got the white color applique and some avocado dye color applique and some more white color. You can see the bead is shining, shimmer is beautiful, also in white color. Many pieces here, and this one and some flower. Okay, and for the laces I just show you. So Also some of the bridal lace, different of the bridal lace and beads, so many here. And I don't want to open it up so you can see different bridal pieces here, and some white lace, and the big bridal lace. So I just wrap it like so, and I try to use this one is much better, I think. Okay, this one is much better, nicer. Okay, use this color. And so yeah, that's it. And yeah, so many things here. You can use all these items to play with the kit. I mean, you can decorate, or we use all this to decorate the boat. Okay. Okay, so yeah, all this is the item for this special kit. So yeah, I really hope who order this you like how I gathered everything in this kit. Okay, so yeah, everything here is beautiful, gorgeous for my stash. And all this flower here, and like so. So yeah, I really appreciate okay, sorry, let me adjust the camera first. Okay, thank you for everyone for stopping by to my channel again. And just please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you think with this kit. And I just want to thank you for this special lady, for your support. I know, if you watch this video, I just want to thank you from bottom of my heart for your continue support me in all this time. I truly appreciate it. I don't know how to use my words to express how to say my feeling, but because I'm not so well with to speak English. So but I really really feel so blessed and so grateful that for your support, and thanks again. And I really hope you like this kit that I gathered for you. And and thanks again for everyone for your support, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit. And thanks again, and bye bye.